and welcome. In this video I am going to discuss about the head-on situation of the rule of roads. That is rule number 14. The part A of this rule says that when two power-driven vessels are meeting on reciprocal or nearly reciprocal courses so as to involve risk of collision. So reciprocal or nearly reciprocal means that their course difference is 180 degree and so as to involve risk of collision. So when two vessels are on reciprocal courses and there is a risk of collision, then each vessel shall alter her course to starboard side so that each shall pass on the port side of each other. So these two vessels are in the head-on situation, and to avoid collision both vessels should alter her course to starboard side. So while altering the course to starboard, the OW must see that it is safe to do. Otherwise, you always remember the rule 2B of the ROR. Now we will see what the part B of this rule number 14 says. So such a situation shall be deemed to exist when the vessel see either ahead or nearly ahead. So such a situation shall be deemed to exist when a vessel sees another vessel ahead or nearly ahead. So at night, how you can determine that this is head-on situation? By seeing the masthead lights of the other vessel is in line or nearly in line, and also both the side lights are also in line. So by day you will observe the corresponding aspect of the other vessel. So this is how you will determine by visually that this is a head-on situation. So now part C of this rule. So when a vessel is in any doubt as whether to such a situation exists, she shall assume that it does exist and act accordingly. Likewise, we have also discussed in other rules that if you are in any doubt, just consider that situation is real and act accordingly. So in modern shipping, it is easy to know that know the aspect of the all the nearby ships if the OW uses all available means. So if you observe or if you know how to use all the available means, then in current scenario you will not be in doubt. So never be in doubt, and this much is important from the rule number 14 head-on situation, and this is a very simple rule. So thank you and hope you liked it. Thank you.